The government is all set to give every house, street and heritage site in the Srinagar district a unique identification number which will help every individual and authorities to identify the person or place without any inconvenience. Now, the unique ID has been taken under the Smart City project in Srinagar. It was executed earlier on a trial basis and soon will be extended to beyond the Srinagar district. The Divisional Commissioner of Kashmir has said that the unique ID will help relatives and others to identify and reach out to locations without any inconvenience. The move was announced by the government last year, and Mehbooba Mufti had raised concerns calling the plan to create a unique ID for all families as another surveillance tactic to tighten the iron grip on the lives of Kashmir residents. Now, last year, the plan was initially unveiled at a national conference on e-governance in where Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal Khattar had released the digital J&K vision document.
उस दिन आपने अगर देखा होगा तो एक तो हेरिटेज के ऊपर था कि हमने जो हम कहते हैं विकास भी और विरासत भी, तो ये दोनों एक साथ चलें। उस दिन बहुत सारे हमने वो किए थे जिसमें हमने टैग वगैरह जो लगाए थे। उसके अलावा हमने इनिशिएट किया था कि यूनिक नंबर हर एक हाउस होल्ड को दिया जाए, तो उसकी भी उस दिन शुरुआत की गई थी। तो ये लोगों के लिए होता है कि उससे उनके एड्रेस जो है एक आइडेंटिफाई करने में इजी होता है। अदरवाइज आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारी गलियों का नाम सेम होता है, तो उससे बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है। तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए भी इजी हो जाता है मैनेज करना, उसमें सारी डिटेल्स जो है उसके एड्रेस की उसमें है।
We are crossing over to CNN News 18's Ishan Wani to get us more on this. Ishan, we were just talking about the fact that the Jammu and Kashmir government is all set to give every house, street and heritage site in Srinagar a unique identification number. Would you be able to tell us about what was learned when the trial took place in Srinagar for this very same project?
Well, yes, it was important for the government since Srinagar is a smart city, and that is why, making sure that the maps are able to locate certain heritage sites, certain locations, and that's why it became important for the government. And the government has been saying that this unique ID will help determine eligibility through automatic selection of beneficiaries from the, schemes, from the different, facilities that are needed. And this will also help identify the houses, their household, the details, to what program they're eligible for if there are any government schemes. And this will also help them make sure that their safety, security, and also, provide help in case there is any, emergency. This program was actually announced last year during the digital J&K initiative document that was revealed that there will be a family ID which will be provided for every household. And that is why the government has been saying that to make sure that they're able to extend schemes and social health, these IDs are required not only to navigate but also to help ease governments reach out to people. While on the other hand, if you see last year when the government had announced it, PDP chief had called this another way of keeping surveillance, on people, and but there were concerns about the data that will be collected by the government. But yes, since it was on trial basis, but yes, soon it will be implemented, and we're also told that this will help people get benefits of the government schemes. But one has to see that what kind of political reactions do come in on this, because this has been something which didn't go down well with the PDP. While the government says that this is important to mark places and also will help in future, activities, schemes, and this will also help make sure that the government is able to reach out to people. And there are certain, locations which have similar names, but once there will be IDs of certain locations and sites, that will help people navigate clearly to those locations.
Absolutely. Ishan, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those details. With this, we're going to be heading into a very short break, but do stay tuned because there's more.